The number of divorced people in Ireland is predicted to rise slightly to around nearly 5% by 2030, but our rates actually are lower than other parts of Western Europe at just over 6.5%. So we're asking today, should we be teaching kids about marriage in schools?
I actually think this is a brilliant idea.
Do you?
I do. And I'll tell you why. I think more and more children are being taught life skills, and it's very important. For instance, young fellas in particular, they should be taught early on how to tidy up, how to cook, how to clean, how to do things things that can break up a marriage actually and break up a relationship. If you're a very tidy person, you're married to somebody that's a slob and slovenly and doesn't do all the things, all the million little things that can make a marriage work. It's a recipe for disaster. Yes, tell them about marriage. Tell them what makes a successful marriage. It is not about the big day and the dress and all these programs that you see on television now. Yes to the dress and whatever. Don't tell the bride. That's only one day in a very long life, a very long relationship. It's an important day, but it's not the be all end all. And we all start off. When you fall madly in love with somebody, all sorts of chemical things happen, and it's mad. It's passionate. But you have to look at this person and say to yourself, do I want to grow old with them? Do I really care for this person? Do I really love them? And would I do, through thick and thin, will I be there for them?